Did you know 70% of gardeners say it brings them joy? Let's find out why. Gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing peace and joy. Meet Sarah. She found her calm in a chaotic world by tending roses in her backyard. And there's Mark, who turned a small vegetable patch into a sanctuary, battling stress one tomato at a time. Gardening boosts mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. It's a natural antidepressant. Plus, it gets you moving. Planting, weeding, and watering all add up to a great workout. And guess what? Those plants you love can love you back. Herbs like lavender and chamomile aren't just pretty. They have therapeutic benefits too. So, why wait? Dive into gardening and discover a happier, healthier you. Visit us at 360 Farms and Winery, 801 W Highland Ave, Albany, GA, or give us a call at 229-800-1360. Let's grow together.